Want to sell faster and stand out in today's market? Well, here's the secret: seller concessions. Offering the right perks can attract more buyers and help you close faster. Hi, I'm Sheila Howell with Realty, and let's talk about these concessions. What are seller concessions? They're incentives where you, the seller, agree to help cover some of the buyer's closing costs. Well, they could be closing costs, they could be repairs, or even helping buy down their mortgage rate. And here's why it works now. The market is shifting, as you probably know if you've been watching any of my videos with the market updates. While sellers still have power, flexibility is key. In fact, 1 in 4 sellers offered concessions recently, and it worked. Concessions can attract more buyers, they can help you stand out, they can avoid price reductions, speed up your home, and prevent deals from falling apart. And the best part, these costs are deducted from your profits at closing, not paid up front. So let's strategize smarter. Want to sell fast without giving up leverage? Let's talk about the right concessions and how your home could get the best possible deal. Sheila Howell, Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.